I just had an experience in the kitchen that I think is worth sharing with you. I was making my coffee, and while I'm now standing at the stove preparing my espresso, I began to get flooded with ideas of business, personal life, travel, like you name it. I just got this surge of information and ideas. And then there was a version of me that felt really scared and overwhelmed with all of this information. I'm standing there, I can see myself curling up, like shriveling down, because fear comes in, because the fear came in of how am I going to do all of this and who am I to do all of this? And so then I see the person witnessing the person or the version of me that is scared, right? So now suddenly I realize there's two people in the kitchen making this espresso. What I didn't know is that there were three versions of me there. That is the person who was fear-based, or I should say the version of me that was fear-based, the version of me that was the witness, and then there's the version of me there who is the higher self. And the higher self is actually not a self at all. That is the vastness of awareness. So this vastness of awareness that we all carry with us is actually our higher self. And the only reason we call the higher self a self is because that's just how we're designed. We need to have labels, and we need to confine things, and we need to be able to categorize, right? And this is why the higher self is called the self. But it's really this vastness of awareness that has no limits, that is totally free, no boundaries, yet it's completely divine. This moment in the kitchen, I'm so grateful for this cup of coffee. It literally cracked my mind open.